Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by the Hustler.
Stibo, ama intro anwafaki. Usphiwe wakhathi.
Hey, afak.
Hustler.
Yeah.
07.
Yeah.
Sinamuva.
Yeah.
Liyasikwa liyamila.
Yeah.
Lisazobukwa.
Yeah.
Lizobukwa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yimike loyo ke. Phezu kwabo kuko.
Yeah.
Stibo. Awutham ngiyabonga ukuthi angikayanga ePolokwane.
Sure.
Nofuna ePolokwane.
I'm a champion, Zala.
Champion, no fun
champion.
You are supposed to be yes. Thank you for that. And I would like to thank my friends for reaching 1.2 million TikTok. Thank you.
Yeah.
We are doing a great job, Stibo. Ngaphandle kwenu.
Yeah.
Ngabe mangivele kasi intwana singazi.
Yeah.
Manje intwana singibiza ngisese.
Yeah.
Zithi Sinamuva Hustler. Hey watoto. Zibiza ngenxa yenu.
It's chairman.
Ngenxa I thank you, Stibo.
Yeah.
I thank you for that.
Thank you, Redman. Thank you,
Wow. Stibo.
Yeah.
Into engayisho mina ngithi halala sithi halala sithi Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Stibo, nenta ngeke ilunge le. Yeah, bengeke ilunge. Yeah, ayikasiki ilunge. Yeah, I'm a coach. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, uzongibona one day. Yeah, ayikho into beyenzeka.
Abantu bathi abayi-2.
3. Nalo wenwele enkulu nalo munye badlala. Abomtoliki la bese ngokuzotolika. Owaqeda abahleli today. So, ngithi mina yabona uCarlos. Ngumdotha mara manje. Yeah, for now I'm on hold. Yeah, let's wait for i-game yethu. I-Orbit yalile cancel i-game yethu. Ifika Tuesday.
Yeah.
So dlala Tuesday nabo bese Friday. Ngicela ama support Mamelodi Sundowns season isigcwaliseni i-Loftus.
Yeah.
I-CAF game.
I-CAF game, yeah.
Lento yethu le stars usengena Stibo. Stars usengena Stibo. Ngenkani. Onamthuthu angeke basinuke.
Yeah.